Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 28 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're looking at the Supta Padagunthasana family, which are two variations of a lying pose as we get towards the end of sequence. So coming to a comfortable base for yourself, take a few moments to ground, settle in, find your breath. Beginning with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinde Samdashti Satsva Savara Pode Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hala Hala Moha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shanka Chakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. So coming to Samastitihi, choosing your base. We'll begin with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, lift. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chatvare, exhale, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend the choice. Chat, exhale, downward dog. One, super seated, just bow the head. Two, find your ujjayi breath, your bandhas. Three, bring downward dog, you might bicycle the legs. Four, establish the dristi. And five, look forward. Supta, inhale, step, jog, jump. Ashta, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi, Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back. Remember, palms can float. Exhale to fold. Ve. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chaturvare, exhale, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend the choice you choose. Shat, exhale, downward dog, right leg. Inhale to lift, Supta. Ashta, exhale, all the way down. Nava, inhale, drop the shoulders. Desha, exhale, downward dog, left leg. Ekadesha, inhale, square the hips. Dvedesha, exhale and lower. Trayodesha, inhale, drop the shoulders. Chatvadesha, exhale, downward dog. One, to see where you can relax. Two, remember child pose is always an option. Three, even out the breath. Four, five. Look forward, up onto the toes. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Vinyasa to Supta Padagunthasana. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen, keep the hands on the floor. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step, dog or jump through to seated, then lay all the way down. Supta Padagunthasana A. So on the inhale, float the right leg up. Exhale. Now some options here. You can keep the left foot on the floor if you need to. You can bend the right knee. You're going to attempt to take hold of the toes of the right foot as you press the left hand to the thigh. That might be impossible. If it's impossible, one, take hold of the back of the leg somewhere. Two, so remember the leg can be bent, no problem. The left hand, three, is keeping that left hip down. If this is easy for you, 2-finger grip, wrap the thumb around four, and then see if you can lift up. See if you can lift up from this option. Squeeze the belly in, Good, strong Ujjayi breath. 5. Inhale to lower. Then we have B variation. Exhale, begin to float the right leg out to the side. 1. Now, if this feels too strong, again, you can take hold of the back of the thigh. Do it that way. 2. You can use the elbow just to control how far you go. 3. Make sure you anchor the left hip as you turn the head to your left side. Doing really well. That's it. 4. You've got the toes. Just continue to lower, but don't lift the left hip up. Wrap the toes around the fingers. 5. Squeeze the pelvic floor mula bandha. Inhale, head to center. Exhale, see if you can lift up. Inhale to lower. And exhale, release the leg. Repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, lift the left leg. I'll turn so I can still see you. Exhale, entering. 1. So again, remember your options. Right foot can be on the floor. 2. Bend the leg. 3. Stay happy. Relax your shoulders. Steady breathing. 4. It's just a stretch. So see where you need to get your stretch. And 5. B variation. Inhale, leg to the left, head to the right. Entering. 1. Try and keep the right shoulder down also. 2. Remember, bend the knee if you need to. Take the back of the thigh or the shin. 3. Begin to open out, breathing to any tightness. 4. And 5. Inhale to center. Exhale to squeeze out, lift. Inhale to lower. And exhale, lower the leg. From here, bring the knees into the belly and come through. There would be a backward rolling somersault here called Chakrasana. We'll give that a miss in the beginner's class, so you can take your vinyasa, seated, or take the legs all the way back, your choice. Lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go. Inhale, come through. And we have the final 3. Here we are already. Wrap the arms behind the back. Inhale, exhale, entering. 1. So here we are in Baddha Padmasana. 2. Or Yoga Mudra, sealing the energy in. 3. Remember your options here also. 4. Stay attuned to your body. Might feel different today. 5. If it does, adjust accordingly. 6. Maybe you need to come up. 7. Maybe you need to stretch your legs out. 8. Or maybe you can go deeper. Just see. 9. Steady breathing. 10. Inhale, squeeze to lift up. Exhale, Padmasana, entering. 1. Little dip of the chin. That's it. 2. Straight lines of energy. 3. Sit nice and tall. 4. Good. 5. You'll recall this is the second piece of bread in the sandwich. 6. 7. Remember your butterfly wing grip. 8. Have you remembered Pinocchio? Good. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Hands by the hips. Inhale, exhale, entering. 1. Utsugi. 2. Try to look forward. Same dristi. 3. Nasagraya dristi. 4. Squeeze and lift. 5. Good. Don't worry if you can't lift. 6. Just engage everything you can. That's it. 7. You need to come down. That's fine. 8. You want to go deeper. Try and lift the feet. 9. And 10. Exhale, release. Well done. Ease out the wrists. Oh, we're doing well. We're nearly to the end of this challenge. So from here, take your vinyasa. I'm doing a seated one. Feel free to take the legs back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And make your way down to Shavasana. Open the palms, flop your ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Go, Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and the count. Resting here for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, bring some movement, some breath to the fingers and toes. As you move the head slowly from side to side. And then take a long inhale, reaching up and back, full body stretch. Exhale to let go, bending at the knees and elbows, gather everything in, a big thank you to the body. And then roll to one side, pause for a moment. Plant a seed of gratitude, appreciate how far you've brought with this challenge. Note any changes which may have occurred along the way. And then coming through to comfortable seated, nice and tall. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra as you lengthen the spine. Take a breath in. Exhale, gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. And inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for joining me on day 28. Well done. You're doing so well. I hope you'll join me for the remainder of this challenge. Hit the like button and do subscribe. Take care.